Nick Rutter from McKee's 37. I'm going to showcase our Graphene Tire Shine. Before you apply a tire shine, you want to thoroughly clean the wheels first and the tires. Here I'm using our foaming wheel cleaner gel. Spray it on, let it dwell for a minute or two, and then agitate with your wheel brush of choice. This product is safe for all wheel finishes, and it changes colors as it cleans. Here I am using our large, easy detail brush. This has thousands of nylon and Nylex bristles that fit in all the nooks and crannies, plus it bends and it has a knuckle guard. Then I'll use the short-handled tire and wheel brush to clean the face of the wheel. This brush has a plastic handle that's textured, and it also has flagged nylon bristles that reach all the nooks and crannies, cleaning the face of the wheel. Once that is done, I'll grab our detail brush to clean the really intricate areas, like the lug nut holes and then other parts of the wheel where the larger brushes simply won't fit. So these are the 3 brushes that I use to clean every wheel. They always come in handy. Once the face of the wheel is clean, I'm going to grab our tire and rubber rejuvenator. You spray this directly onto the face of the tire, and not only is it going to remove browning and previously applied dressings, it's going to rejuvenate the appearance and create a fresh, clean slate so the Graphene Tire Shine will properly adhere. Spray it on, let it dwell for a minute or two, and then agitate using our low-profile tire brush. You'll watch the brown just melt off the tire. And then thoroughly rinse it off, making sure you remove all residue from both the wheel and the tire. And then, this is optional but highly beneficial, apply a protectant to the wheel. Here I'm using our hydrographene, a spray and rinse graphene coating that protects the wheel against brake dust contamination. Last but not least, I'll dry the wheel using the Mini Car Dryer Pro. You can use a towel in place, however, this guy works much better because it blows heated, filtered air. And then once the wheel and tire is dry, I'm going to apply Graphene Tire Shine using our dual action trim and tire applicator pad. To avoid unwanted overspray, I'm going to apply the product directly to the applicator pad, as you can see. I cut the tire in half, I divide it in half, so to speak, and I'll apply to one side, being very thorough, making sure I don't leave any product to pool up in place. And I'll use the dual action trim and tire applicator pad to really get close to the wheel for precise application. Once I finish half the tire, I will apply more product to the applicator pad, and I'll coat the other side of the tire. Graphene Tire Shine is water-based, it's not going to sling off, and it's formulated using a blend of ultra-refined graphene oxide ceramic resins that protect and beautify your tires. It's not going to turn brown. In fact, it'll help protect the tires from turning brown. And the finish it leaves behind is fantastic. It'll last weeks at a time, even if you drive through the rain. And if you want more shine, simply apply more. If you want less shine, buff off the excess. That's McKee's 37 Graphene Tire Shine, and I'm Nick Rutter from McKee's 37. Take care, and God bless.